And then you measure now the face width. The face width now will bisect the face angle. So assuming this is now the face width. So this is now the face. And then you now project your outside diameter. That will coincide with the face width. So ito yung outside diameter. And then the root. Now the root diameter, when projected to the side view, will be equivalent to your face radius. You compute now for the face radius. Assuming this is now the face radius. Ito yung face radius. Which will now represent the throat viewed on the side, face radius. And then you also have your ring radius. Ito yung nasa ilalim. That would be the ring radius. So ngayon, you now project your throat. That will now coincide with the face radius. Kung tama yung sukat ninyo. And then your pitch. Pitch to pitch. That will cut through your face angle. We draw now a line downward. Also on both sides. Kabilaan. And then your root, followed by the root diameter. That will now pass through the face angle. You now draw a line downward. Both sides. The same, you now draw your face here. Face here. So actually this is 14 and 1/2. And then another 14 and 1/2. Para ma-drawing nyo na yun yung shoot profile. So using now the pitch distance, what can I do at the pitch diameter? Kumpituin niyo yung after. And then the thickness. Why do you need this? You're going to project the tooth profile.